Assalamu alaikum. كيف حالكم? I think you are well. Today we will learn some common Arabic vocabulary. So let's start. And today we'll learn like 30 or 40 basic Arabic vocabulary. Our first word is number 1 is أنا سعيد. أنا سعيد. أنا سعيد it's mean I am happy. أنا سعيد it's mean I am happy. Our next word is next word is I'm sad. I'm sad. What is the meaning of I'm sad in Arabic? Do you have any idea? It will be أنا حزين. أنا حزين. أنا حزين it's mean I'm sad. Number 3 I'm sorry. I'm sorry in Arabic will be أنا آسف. أنا آسف. أنا آسف. What are you gonna say? أنا آسف. Like this. I'm sorry, أنا آسف. Number 4, we may say I'm hungry. I am hungry. I am hungry. What is the meaning of I am hungry? I am hungry in Arabic. أنا جاعي. أنا جاعي. It's mean I am hungry. The next word is I am thirsty. I am thirsty. It's mean in Arabic. أنا عطشان. It's mean I am thirsty. The next word is I am sick. I am sick. What is the Arabic of I am sick? You try to guess. It will be أنا مريض. أنا مريض. أنا مريض. أنا مريض. It's mean I am sick. Okay. So let us move to our next word. It is at first. At first. What is the meaning of at first? You try to guess. Yeah. It will be في البداية. في البداية. في البداية it's mean at first. At work, what will be the answer? At work. At work, what will be the answer? It will be في العمل. في العمل. في العمل. في العمل يعني at work. The next word is at office. At office. At office. What is the meaning of at office in Arabic? What do you think? The answer will be في المكتب. في المكتب. في المكتب. في المكتب mean at office. So next one is at school. At school. What will be the answer? في المدرسة. في المدرسة. في المدرسة. It's mean at school. The next word is في المطعم. في المطعم. Okay, the next one is at restaurant. At restaurant. At restaurant. What do you think? What is the meaning of at restaurant? What do you think? What is the meaning of at restaurant? Okay, let us go to the answer. It will be في المطعم. في المطعم. في المطعم. The next word is at home. Do you have an idea what is the meaning of at home? It will be في المنزل. في المنزل. Or you can also say في البيت. The same meaning. So our next word is believe me. Believe me. Do you think what is the meaning of believe me? It will be صدقني. صدقني. It means believe me. Next one is forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive me. So forgive me. What is the meaning of Arabic? It will be سامحني. 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 It's mean forgive me. Next word is call me. The next word is call me. Do you know what is the meaning of call me? Yeah, try to guess. It will be اتصل بي. It will be اتصل بي. اتصل بي. اتصل بي. It's mean call me. Our next word is word. So let us move to our next word. It is tell me. Tell me. Tell me. What do you think? What is the meaning of tell me? It will be أخبرني. It will be أخبرني. أخبرني. The next one is take me. Take me. What is the meaning of take me? You try to guess. It will be خذني. 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 And the last one is leave me. Leave me. What is the meaning of leave me? It will be اتركني. اتركني اتركني. So that's all our English to Arabic. So now we can move to Arabic to English. Okay, let's start. Okay, first we learn English to Arabic. Now we'll learn Arabic to English. Okay, let's start. Our first one is أنا سعيد. أنا سعيد. What do you think? What is the meaning of أنا سعيد? It's mean I am happy. The next one is أنا حزين. أنا حزين. أنا حزين. What is the meaning of أنا حزين? I am sad. I am sad. The next one is أنا آسف. أنا آسف. It's mean I'm sorry. Next one أنا جاعي. أنا جاعي. أنا جاعي. It's mean I am hungry. The next one is أنا عطشان. أنا عطشان. أنا عطشان. It's mean I am thirsty. Next one أنا مريض. أنا مريض. Do you know what is the meaning of أنا مريض? It's mean I am sick. Okay, so let's start the next part. It will be okay. Let us move to the next word. Okay, let us move to the next part. في البداية. في البداية. What is the meaning of في البداية? It's mean at first. Next one is في العمل. في العمل. في العمل it's mean at work. في المكتب. في المكتب it's mean at office. في المدرسة. في المدرسة. في المدرسة it's mean at school. في المطعم. في المطعم it's mean at restaurant. في المنزل. في المنزل أو في البيت it's mean at home. The next part we have come. Okay, let's move to the next part. Here it will be first one is صدقني. صدقني it's mean believe me. Next one is سامحني. سامحني it's mean forgive me. The next one is اتصل بي. The next one is اتصل بي. اتصل بي. اتصل بي. What is the meaning of اتصل بي? It's mean call me. It's mean call me. أخبرني. أخبرني it's mean tell me. Next one is خذني. خذني. خذني it's mean take me. And last one is اتركني. اتركني it's mean leave me. Thank you for watching, and I think by this procedure you will learn Arabic vocabulary perfectly. Thank you for watching. مع السلامة. Bye.